Welcome to Soares Engineers Private Limited, manufacturer and supplier of hydraulic fittings. The company was incorporated in 2009 at Pune. International quality standards and ethical business policies make us different from others. KSP Pumps Limited and Interval India Limited are some of our elite clients, and we are backed by competitive market prices and maximum client satisfaction. We offer a wide assortment of oil level, industrial, and hex head fittings. Our hydraulic fittings, stud couplings, and hydraulic fitting elbows are best in the industry amongst others. We offer hydraulic plugs and couplings that are widely acclaimed in the market. Straight couplings and cap nuts offered by us are some of our best-selling products. Along with that, we offer well stud couplings for automobile industry that are a class apart. We also provide pipe nipples for agriculture industry that are extremely reliable. To get more information, log on at www.soaresengineers.com.